Hi, in this video I want to show you how to install hardwood floor reducer to tile if tile is lower. First of all, I prepare few pieces of floor with angle and reducer. On each piece of floor I cut groove with router for better connection with reducer. Now I am making reducer. I put table saw blade on the highest point with 5-degree angle and then start cutting board from other side of groove. Then I put blade straight and cut off just 1/8 from my reducer on the groove side. Now my reducer is ready. Now I check reducer how it's fit, everything fine, and then I add flooring glue with little spaces. These spaces need for hot glue. Hot glue keep floor very strong and fast. Now I just press it down to make it even. Took off some little glue which is come from some edges. And that's it. I don't have to put any weight on top. It's already hold very strong and fast. Okay, I put first floorboard with angle, connected, and follow this line. This floor not easy to connect with stone and groove, and I'm using small block which I made from same floor. I turn board opposite direction and cut little piece. So this line is done. Okay, need to apply glue. This glue is moisture protection. It's called wiper lock. So don't rush, spread glue very careful, don't leave any space. Customer like when it looks nice and beauty. Okay, we follow next line. Now I install last floorboard by the wall. I put floorboard over a previous line, take a small piece of floor and slide over the long board to make a line with pencil. I use a pull bar to install this small piece. This gap between floor and baseboard I will cover with shoe bases. floor is done. Thanks for watching.